When solving an inequality, there are two different ways that you can look at this. You can think of it as undoing the order of operations. In other words, getting rid of addition and subtraction before getting rid of multiplication and division. In this case, we can see that the W is being multiplied by -4, and then we have a +1 here. So we would want to get rid of the add 1 before we get rid of the multiply by -4. Another way to think of this, though, is to get letters on one side, numbers on the other. If I go with letters on one side, numbers on the other, the number 1 is a number, -4W, those are my letters, and 25 are my numbers. So to move that 1 to the other side so that all my numbers are on the same side, I'm going to subtract 1. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Then let's go ahead and bring down what we still have. So I'm going to bring this down. 25 minus 1 is 24. Next, I want to get rid of the multiply by -4 by dividing both sides by -4. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Now, by dividing by -4, this W is now by itself. But what we need to be careful of is because we divided by a negative number, we're going to need to flip this inequality over. Anytime you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, the inequality symbol is going to flip over. So I'm going to keep bringing this W on down, and then notice that I have a less than or equal to, and I'm going to change that to a greater than or equal to. Positive 24 divided by -4 is equal to -6. So our final solution is W is greater than or equal to -6.